out of my bed.
Wait no.
Come from on my bed.
Wait no, me can't explain.
I will swing the hammer and them bust your head. Come from my bed.
Bossy. I beat me the hammer. She had a problem.
Me?
Yo.
And you call me over here. Every time I tell her I don't want to come over here, you always a pressure me to come over here. And she and me.
Alright.
And she
Apart from that, every morning me I go be see up on the road. Every day at for one condom, and me I give you condom. So me I give you condom, I can't go use it.
Yes, bossy, and she invite me.
Sorry.
You see you love me, right? You see you love me, so this is do a daytime.
Wait no, me cheat to make your relationship get strong.
You see Leia? You see Leia, sir?
Yeah.
You see Leia? Pack your things there. Pack your things there. No, me have to go buy Joe 1 Guinness. And half dozen beer.